T-Dog Nation, it is time for another episode of the Diecast Cup. This is episode 6. Like always, we have 4 more cars that are ready to battle it out, and the top 2 in points will advance into the next round. With that being said, let's introduce today's drivers. For this episode, we have the Williams Racing F1 car, a 67 Chevelle SS, a 1970 Pontiac Firebird, and a Datsun 620. And they're off. It's going to be the 67 Chevelle SS sliding through on their roof. Race number 2. Good race, man. That Chevelle ran a perfectly smooth run. That Chevelle is eyeing a hot streak, folks. Not this time, as the Pontiac Firebird gets their first win. Last race of the day. Who's taking it? Yep, no surprise there. That Chevelle might be the fastest car we've seen yet. There you have it, guys. That Chevelle and the Firebird are moving on to the next round. I also checked that slow-mo of that finish line cam. That was a very, very close race between that Datsun and the Firebird. But I'm pretty sure that the Firebird took that race to advance. But let me know who you guys think won that race, as the Pontiac would still have moved on as he had more points. There are the total points going in for these 4 cars. If you guys enjoyed, please do me a big favor. Subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button and ring that bell to never miss a time that I post. If you enjoy Diecast Racing, feel free to give me a follow on TikTok. Link will be in the description. I will see you guys next time for episode 7 as we continue to race beyond limits, one track at a time. T-Dog is checking out.